Michael, I feel like you need a monocle or to grow the mustache back or something like that, because this is the multi-million-dollar epic unboxing. Hey everyone, it's Joe and
Michael
from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, selling you the best bullion bars and coins, shipped to you worldwide from Melbourne in Australia. It's a multi-million-dollar epic unboxing.
It is. If you ever wondered what a couple of $1 million worth of gold looked like,
That.
it's about that sort of size.
Plain white bags,
Yes.
but epically sealed.
They
Of
are.
course, and
It's got a few ties on it, hasn't it?
and we should say very epically delivered.
Yes, it was.
Yeah.
All right, can I start opening it? Because it's going to take me a minute or two to get it.
Okay, sure, not a problem. Why, out of interest, why a such a large order?
For a lot of reasons. Because we're churning through so much.
Yep.
And once you get over a certain size, it's more economical to just bulk it out and get it all delivered by high security.
Yep. And it's all from the Perth Mint, is
This
it?
is all from the Perth Mint.
Okay.
And while it's not probably stunningly exciting stuff, all bar one, it's still interesting to look at, you know, these sort of amounts, and seeing how they come and how they're delivered and all that sort of stuff.
Absolutely.
Because we take it for granted sometimes.
Yep. We really do. We really do. We get, you know, truckloads of stuff now, it seems, all the time. We go, just another day in the bullion office.
All right, what do we got in this one? Ooh.
We'll have to be. Do we need to be careful? Is there anything that we are expecting in that we may not release straight away?
No, it's all good.
Okay.
It's all good this time round.
Cool.
I was wearing my gloves properly, it'd be even easier. So
Wearing gloves for these?
Oh yeah, well some of them will be very naked.
Okay.
So
Yeah, but the coins won't be. The coins or bars, they won't be on. They won't be. They'll be in tubes if they're not encapsulated.
a lot of them will be.
Okay.
Some of them won't.
Oh, okay.
So,
Alright.
here we go. Streams and streams of. Oh no, they're different things. I thought they were all the same.
Okay, well that's
Alright.
looking like what, 1 ounce. Careful.
So, stacks of 1 ounce. Good old 1 ounce castings back in stock. Thanks, I love them.
Thank goodness.
So these are the non-serial numbered ones.
So they're the regular old.
So the regular old.
The regular ones. Yep.
And then we've got these ones. These are my favourites. I love these so much.
Oh, your little loaves of bread.
My little loaves of bread.
Yeah.
So we've got 2 little loaves of bread. So they're the 5 ounce ones. But we've also got, we haven't been able to get these from Perth for going close to 12 months now.
Oh, 10 ounce bars.
10 ounce bars.
Nice, brand new 10 ounce bars. Great.
So we've got the cast tins back in stock. But we've also got one we haven't had for, I couldn't tell you the last time we had one of these.
Ah, cool.
So to give you a size comparison,
Yep.
that's a 10 ounce cast, that's a 10 ounce minted.
Yep. Big difference there.
So
Big difference.
beautiful bars, both of them actually.
Lovely, yeah, of course, and in the Certi card packaging.
Yep,
It's so heavy.
it is.
Very cool.
Well, when you think about it, it's over 300 grams worth of gold.
Yeah,
So it is deceptive.
brilliant.
Now this would be a Christmas stocking.
Next Christmas, can you just arrange that for me, please? That would
I've
be great.
worked out what I want from Santa.
Yeah.
And they're the serial numbered ones.
Yes. Okay. Let me get that out the way and do that. There we go. Beautiful. Yep. The serial number. So the 1 ounce Perth Mint cast serialized, and the normal ones, which at this moment I don't believe we're charging any extra for the cereals, right?
That's correct.
And I think what's the mintage? Is it still 50,000?
Still 50,000. They
Yeah.
haven't changed that.
Right.
They keep saying that they won't, so they probably won't. But I suspect they might.
Yeah.
I've still got a sneaking suspicion.
Yeah,
I'm just
probably.
going to put a glove on. I don't think I need it for this one, but I'm going to do it just in case because
Look at this.
this is
Beautiful. Oh. Ha
ah,
ha! Let me hang on. I've got to
This
make.
is what you need
I've got
to
to make
buy.
way. Make way. There we go. Oh, I touched it with my hands.
Okay,
Can you move that with your gloved
Yep.
hands? Thanks.
I can do that.
Oh.
The 1 kilo 2021 gold kangaroo.
Now that, my friend, is a thumbnail and a half.
Yeah,
That
she's
is
beautiful.
cool. Look at
This is
that.
actually, and Joe would already know this, this is actually the second one that we've got in
Yes,
because we filmed this one once before
we did.
and I walked from where we filmed it from through the shop front and somebody bought it. So it lasted a grand total of about 15 minutes in our possession.
Yep.
And we kind of didn't feel we could release the video without being able to actually release one online. So this will be online when you see this video.
Yep.
And it is a truly beautiful coin.
Yep. I love the beading around the edge. Just around there. I can touch this with my. I love that.
Even the good old queen doesn't look too bad on a 1 kilo gold coin.
She scrubs up well on the gold coin, I gotta say.
Yes.
It's just lovely. Look at that. So do you want to own a kilo coin? Look, it's so thick.
It is.
The beautiful reeded edge as well, of course.
And we can get in, if you flip it over,
Yep.
we could get into the, we've done this once before, but the face value on the coin
Yep,
of $3,000, which always makes me smile.
of course.
But also can cause confusion if you ever decide to take it overseas or into a country and they start saying, well, how much cash are you bringing into the country?
That's
well,
right.
Sir, it's only $3,000.
$3,000, Your Honour. $3,000, good customs officer. That might be a video unto itself.
Yeah, we're on sticky ground with that one. We
Yeah.
have to be really careful
Yeah,
doing
no,
that
that's
video.
true. That's true.
So we've got the 20 grammers back in stock again, which is great to see. We've been without those for a little while.
Excellent. We get a lot of calls for the 20 grammer.
We do.
Yeah.
For all the vintage sizes, actually.
Yep. And of course the Tampa Evident case.
And these ones, which we've been chasing down for a while, it's been a little bit of a shortage of, and in fact, a lot of these are pre-sold. So if
Which are
they
these?
don't appear on the web, I apologise early. That's the 100 grammer
Of
minted
course.
bar.
Yeah.
So we've got a stack of those in, but it's 50-50 whether I can release any or not.
Okay.
So if not, they will be in the new year because we've got another big batch coming in.
Okay.
All right, and this one is the 1 ounce, I think. No, 50 grammer.
I've got 50 grammers back in. That's good. Now
This is 50 grammers.
this is really is multi-million-dollar
Maybe
stuff right here.
I should be stacking it all up, shouldn't I?
Oh, this will probably be the thumbnail at the end for the video, quite possibly. That is so cool. Just look at all of that shiny stuff just in one. Can you imagine? Just this is your stack. Can you imagine that? Look at that. And this is what, half of what we're pulling out today. So
It's probably 2/3.
okay.
So, can I open the second one?
Yes, please.
Yep.
Go ahead. All right, let's do it.
We're getting there. Yeah.
Another sealed.
We're going to release this pre-Christmas or post-Christmas?
Oh, I was thinking pre-Christmas for sure.
All right. So just remember, just while we've got a bit of a blank space,
Yes.
we're closed over the Christmas period. We open again on January 4th.
The store you're talking
The
about.
store we're talking about. The website will still be fully functioning over that time.
Yes.
Obviously, we just won't be able to post out until, well, realistically, it'll be January 5th before things hit the start hitting the couriers.
January 5th onwards. So yeah, last day is the 23rd of December,
Yep.
up till 5 p.m. And then we're going to enjoy some good food and some good company and a well-deserved break.
Sleep.
A little bit of sleep, just a little.
Just a little.
But yeah, website's still open all the way through that.
1 ounce minted,
Great.
back in stock,
Yep.
and they are 1 ounce minted as
Well,
well.
it's minted. The old 10p84 Exa. Oh. You got a big smile on your face, like
just
like a kid on Christmas morning.
I love the kilo coin.
Oh,
I
did
really
we get?
do.
Oh, did we get more?
But no, these aren't kilo coins.
Oh,
There is something spine chilling about a box of kilo bars.
oh! And we left it till last.
Not intentionally.
Not intentionally.
But I'm like, I know I'm a kid in a candy store, but you just
Look how many kilos there are.
You just get a chill in your spine when you
Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 8 kilos.
There's 8 kilos in there.
8. Can you? Come on. We got to. No, hang on. We've got to.
You want something?
We're gonna pull that out. Okay, you move that. You move that. 8 kilo. I didn't know that was coming. I had no idea what was coming actually.
Am I pulling out one or all of them?
Oh, mate, just pull out all of them. Why not? We'll pull out as many as you can. Are these all taken already, or are these available?
Some of them are.
Okay.
We've had some pretty big orders go through for kilo bars lately.
Look at this. Look at it.
It's got a little bit out of hand.
Oh
It's got
my
a black
goodness.
mark on that one.
Oh,
How rude.
how dare they? That's all right.
Yep, that one's upside down.
We'll sell that one at under spot. How's that? That's a joke.
Freebies.
Joke.
Samplers.
Ah, look at it.
I can't fit it all in, mate.
Yes,
I'm really
mate.
sorry.
Yes, we can. We'll just pile it up. Come on, we can do that.
Okay, my OCD's not going to allow that one to stay upside
No,
down. So
no, of course not.
Turn it around the other way.
Holy moly. That is... come on. There you go. Good.
Now look at that. If you really want,
Yeah.
these are all in
Are they sequentials?
sequential. So that's 186, 187, 188, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93. You can have sequential kilo Perth Mint gold bars.
Excellent. Okay, so if you've never held a kilo bar of gold, let alone seen 8 kilos of this shiny stuff, come into the store because we might have one spare. You want to hold one because it feels cool,
Spine tingling.
isn't it? Really. And I actually have a theory about that, and I actually think it's about thousands and thousands of years of us knowing and liking and revering gold. I think it's in our DNA now.
There is something there, and I can't explain what it is.
Yeah.
And you watch new people grab hold of it, even when they're partners or friends of people that are just coming along for the ride.
Yeah.
And they're not actually here to buy gold themselves, but it's the first time they pick it up, and you watch their expressions.
It's like the eyes.
Yeah, there's just something in it.
Look at this. Look at that. I'm taking a photo of that later on. That is so cool. This is genuine. My jaw is on the floor kind of thing.
It's good fun, isn't it?
Look at
But
that.
that's what a couple of $1 million worth of gold looks like.
Wow. A multi-million-dollar unboxing. I'm almost tempted for this to be the thumbnail right here. That is so cool. But I don't want to give it away, of course. But I'm going to save that photo for, I don't know, just for, prosperity's sake. Prosperity? Prosperity. I don't
That's
know.
the one.
Yeah, one of the ones. All right, so look, everything you're seeing here is going to be on the website at some point, I presume, unless it's all gone, depending
Other than
on
the 100 grammers, everything else will hit the website in some form.
Yep, okay, fantastic. Our very first multi-million-dollar unboxing, probably not the last one, I'd imagine.
I suspect not.
All right, onwards and upwards. Of course, like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Head over to bullionnow.com.au. That's it from me.
And from me too.
We'll see you soon.
See ya.